So in this video we're going to be replacing the lower rear door lock on a Ford Transit, as you see pictured. Now as the rear door lock, obviously you need your rear door security in this day and age, and as you can see the bottom of that is just shaking. So that means that the lock at the bottom is faulty and it's not working as it should be. For whatever reason, I don't know yet, but I worked it out pretty quickly afterwards. So what it came down to was this door lock at the bottom here. As you can see, it's not really locking or responding. There's no spring action. Whatever that was that fell out of it. So it wasn't working, so that needed replacing. So it's really simple. It was just a matter of removing the plywood panel on the back side of the door. Now mine were all Phillips screws, so it was really easy. And then it had this broken panel at the back. For what reason, I don't know, but that just popped off. So as you can see the lock here, just two torques, one on the front and one on the bottom. Really easy stuff. Now you've got to be careful with these in particular because they are exposed to the cold and the wind and all the rest of it. So, you know, maybe a bit of penetrating oil just in case it's rusted up, just to save you any hassle of twisting things or cross-threading. Save yourself a lot of hassle, just a little bit of penetrating oil. So once you've done that, you just fish it out. And as you can see, look, there's absolutely nothing going on there at all. It's clearly been broken a long time. Looks really old as well. So just a little removal. So this is how it attaches to the handle. Now that lower one at the bottom there, that's a cable that opens up the lower lock. And it's held on by this cable and little hook. So you've just got to work on and remove that from that area. Now the way I did it, I just used a screwdriver and eased it out. These are very strong, so you're not going to do much damage to it. Just ease it out, it pops out pretty easily. And that blue lug at the bottom, that just pops to the side as I've done right there. And then you just got to just fish it out. It's really easy. Just work it out. So here's the broken door lock. It's no use, you can just throw that away. Now I bought my replacement on Amazon, and the link is in the description where to get it from. It's cheap, it's only about £10 or £15, but raised my security by 50%. So there you go, it's just a reverse of removal. Doing a good job putting my head in the way. But yeah, you just got to push it through, lock it back into place in the corner and hook that cable over. Use a screwdriver, use what you can, but it's just a reversal. It's all pretty easy, and just work your way around it. You get there. Just making sure it's all held in properly. So here's the other side, and it's just a reversal like I said before. Get your screws in. Like I said, remember to add a bit of penetrating fluid to the screws, and try not to over tighten them here because you will end up breaking your lock and you're back to square one. So just be mindful when you're tightening this up. There you go, it's all done. Now I'm just checking it with the screwdriver, clipping that lock in and releasing it, making sure it works just before I close it. And there you go, it's all nice and solid now. Really simple, easy stuff. And you know, it's just raise your security by a long shot. No more vibrating anymore, and because this locks, it secures the other side door a lot better. There you go. Glad you liked the video. Well, I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and subscribe also to my other channel, the BMAC Car Mods. This is where I do modification and other ideas, and where you can get to send me stuff that you want me to do and I'll do it for you. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy the video. See you later.